What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. GDIY back with another video, man. Hey, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video, just to let you guys have something, because I told y'all I'd make a video when I get stuff in. So I just want to give y'all a video. But before I let you see what I got in today, I just want to give y'all an update on the car. I got my alignment done yesterday. Today is Friday. I got it done Thursday. And I drove the car. It drove good, man. I probably put up a little short video, but you know, everything was good. The alignment is on point and re-ride it, man. So I'm happy about that. I don't even know, man. I done started. It made me want to just buy more stuff. I don't even know what I'm about to buy, but I do want to show you guys what I got today, just to give y'all some content. You know, it ain't nothing major, just a little something, but we working though. So give me a second. I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on, and show y'all what I got. All right, so we back. I got three boxes here. I can't remember if I showed you one of these boxes, but anyway, we're gonna show this, save that one for last. But this one right here, this is the NRG system. If you don't know about these guys, I'll show you. I'll tell you about it in a minute. But this is the NRG system right here, and what this is, what I'm doing on mine, I'll give y'all an in-depth video another time. But what I'm doing on mine, this is a detachable system, detachable steering wheel. It lets you take off your steering wheel. I got probably like another piece to get in my steering wheel, and it'll let you detach the steering wheel and lock it up. It's more of like an anti-theft, thing. So, you know, let me see if I can show you a little something. That's the bottom part, the column part, and then this is the hub that you put your steering wheel on. So I know what that is. Only thing I'm missing is the lock, but we're gonna go to this right here. I had to take it out the pack because it had my address on it. Now this one I haven't seen. I only picked at it. I only picked the color or whatever. Not even sure, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I got in here. If anybody follow these guys on IG, you know what I'm saying, they got the paint. Now this car, you know, I painted. Anybody that know I painted this car a couple years ago. It got scratches and stuff from me doing stuff, just all kind of shit, because I just didn't care. But I painted it years ago. It looked all right, but it got chips and all that. But anyway, I was looking at colors, and I'm like, I'm gonna just start trying to see what kind of color I can get. So I got this thing. You can get samples of what it would look like. Now I just mixed something together just to see how they would do when they sent it. So I've never seen this. I've never opened it. So what you guys are about to see is something I've never seen. Let me cut y'all off and cut y'all back on. All right, so we back on. I just want to pause that video. We back on. We about to see what this really is, dog. I hope it's good, because, man, I don't know what I did. I just tried something, but let's see. We seeing it at the same time. We're going to count it down. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yes, sir. That ain't bad. Y'all see that? You see that thing change the colors in the light a little bit? Now it's a color I picked. I said I wanted just a little hit on it. It's a candy now. You know what I'm saying? And this is what I'm thinking about, going with a red. You know, so I don't know. We might have a red SS. You feel me? Might have a red with the, you know what I mean? And it actually looks better in person. I see that silver up under there. But we might go candy, man. I don't know. I'm gonna get a couple other different colors, but this is not bad for me just trying something. This is actually dope. But I want to get another color because everybody got white, man. So I'm just thinking about changing up my color. Well, I am gonna change up my color, and eventually I'm probably gonna put some rims on it. Don't know what kind yet, but we're gonna do all that, man. I love my car, so we're gonna go in. But this is nice, dog. I hope you guys, you know, get to see it. But if y'all follow them, man, follow these guys. Candy Shop, dog. They got a lot of colors, and you can mix your stuff and get them to spray it out for you on a swatch like this, and then you can see how it look. But you know what I'm saying? That's all I got for today. I just wanted y'all to see that. So hold on. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today, man. I just wanted y'all to see that. Just give y'all a little video update on the video. But the SS is riding, baby. The SS is riding, you feel me? I'm happy we out here, dog. Shout out to my dog, Mama That's Him. That's what y'all know him as. So we gonna call him Mama That's Him. And you know, my dog was recording videos. He came up there with me and we just cruised around the city a little bit, but we're gonna be out. We're gonna be out a little more, man. As long as the SS is holding up, dog, we're gonna be out. But hey man, sometimes them shops get backed up. You don't know where it starts, you gotta do it yourself. It's Mr. G DIY. And I built this shit.